So you've set up your Google Workspace account, followed every step carefully, and still you get the domain verification failed error. Domain verification is the Google's way of confirming that you actually own the domain you're trying to use. Without it, your account stays in a limited state. In this video, I'll walk you through simple steps to fix Google Workspace domain verification failures. If you need additional help, dial the numbers on the screen and our expert team will guide you in real time. Alright then, let's begin now. For the first step, log into your Google Workspace admin console. Once you're inside, head over to your domains section and click on the Manage Domain to view all domains currently connected to your account. From here, look at the Add a Domain option and click to start the process. On the page that opens, fill in all required details for your secondary domain to ensure everything is entered accurately before moving forward. Now, go ahead and remove the domain that's been giving you trouble, then re-add it by following the same steps above. This simple refresh is often all it takes to get things back up and running. If this does not fix your problem, follow the next steps to properly add the txt record to verify your domain. Also, make sure to give this video a like if you're finding these steps easy to follow. This time, on your Google Workspace admin console, look for Verified Domain and click on it. If you're not seeing this on your home screen, then you can choose the option from your email by going to your Manage Domain sections. After that, an overview screen will appear on the screen. Click on the Continue button to proceed. On the next page, click on the copy icon next to the txt record value section. Next, log into your domain host provider and select the Manage option next to the email address you want to verify. On the next screen, click on the DNS name servers from the left-hand side panel. Now, for the first drop-down, choose TXT option and then paste the copied value in the TXT value field. Once that's done, simply click on the Add Record option. After that, jump to the admin console and click on the Verify My Domain option. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help@emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.